Hello, all you wonderful people. I've been about for a few days. The market's sort of end of the season and life, stuff like that. So today I've got a British Caribbean territory coin, 2 cents, 1962. Beautiful coin. Is Lizzie? Rule Britannia! Right. I use a mid-sized punch because I quite like the detail. So, let's punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing well today. I'm pretty damn good. Yeah, I was at the market yesterday. Total waste of time. 30 euros I got yesterday. It was just a waste of time. There was a boat, but I think it must have been a rowing boat. I mean, passenger capacity was 5,600. I think it's more like 56. I don't know where they were. Perhaps I didn't get off the boat. I mean, it was a bit grey, but, you can never tell. As you can see, I've been making glass again. My table is messy, but not as messy as it has been in the past. So I think I'm doing quite well. Right. That's pretty good. So we just want to clean up that edge. If you're looking for a coin ring, I'll help you make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size up or down. You can contact me to see what coins I've got. You can even send me your own coins if you want. Right. Now that is pretty gorgeous. 'Cause you're gorgeous. Right. Let's show a bit of love with Bernie. This is an Ian coin. Thank you, Ian. I've still got a few of your coins left, Well, obviously. Right, let's dry it off. It's a bit scabby, but it'll clean up. Look at the toning on that, eh? Beautiful. Right, let us get our little doming block. And obviously, we're going to go with this side sunny side up on the ring. So this is going to go face down in our little doming block. I still haven't fixed down Big Red. He's a bit running away-ish at the moment. Right. And then we want one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. There you go. Beautiful fit. I put a little bit of jollop in there, so it moves around nice and easy. I think that's good. Right. Please don't split. Some of these Ian coins split. I don't know if it's because it's the age or where they're from, or but he did send me some beautiful coins. I've still got quite a few of them. I've still got a lot of them, to be quite honest with you. There you go. No split. That's good. Good start. Good start to the day. We'll just give it a bit of a clean up, make sure everything's hunky-dory. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. Right, so now This is where it's going to split. If it's going to split, it's going to split here. So here we go, Ian. Here we go again, man. Let's go over to the most gorgeous looking tool in the world, Spike. He's my best friend at the moment. We're pretty close, me and Spike. Right. Nice and easy does it. Nice and easy does it every time. Come on, baby, don't split on me. You're going to make a lovely ring. Looking good still. I might give it a bit more love with Bernie, I think. But I'm sometimes a bit too scared. If it gets, you know, too soft, it's going to do silly things. Yeah, let's show it a bit more love with Bernie. So the trouble with the glass, you have to cut so many tiny pieces, you know. Of course, then there's loads of scrap. Well, I never throw any of it away, because it's bloody expensive, and you can always do something else with it, you know. Well, let's get another bit of kitchen roll. Let's dry it off. And we shall continue. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. Right, come on, baby. Be good to me. That's really, really soft. See, I'm not trying to go too crazy with the handle. Is this going to be an outtake? I hope not. Getting quite thin, but the bow is still there. You're looking for this top part of the coin to touch the mandrel, or the well, it is a mandrel, isn't it? Well, I call it a mandrel, so come on, baby, please, please, please. Still got a bow in it. It's getting very thin. It's a bit thicker there, you can see. But I think I'll just give it a bit of love with Sandy. There you go, that's pretty good. Stop the expense, eh? Let's go for another bit of the old kitchen roll. We go back over to the boss of the household. My girlfriend thinks it's her, but really it's Spike. Or my cats. They seem to be the boss. You got any cats, anybody, watching this? I think Vivi appeared on the table once. I can't let her in at the moment. It's a bit... There you go. It's looking more cone-shaped. The bow's gone. But I'll give it a bit more. There's still a little bit there to go. Right, this is going to be a big ring. It would fit me lovely. I like these Caribbean coins, they're beautiful. There's a lot of thought gone into the detail, like, you know. We're still looking good, and there's no bow. And that is pretty damn sexy. Right, I shall give it a quick one on the other side. Right, there you go. There's a little ding there, but that was there. That was already there. So now we want to go down to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. And that is too small. So I've put Big Daddy in. There's a little bit there. There's not much, but there's a bit. Let's have a look, see what we got. You want it nice and square. I think that's nice and square. And you give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. Don't go crazy. A little bit. Oh, look at that. I nearly went too far. That is absolutely. Well, maybe. Look with my eye. Maybe a touch more. Hardly anything though. You can always go back on it the other way. On the camera it looks pretty. No, I'm happy with that. I think. Is it level? It looks like it's got a wobble in it, but it hasn't. I'm happy with that. If I'm happy, you should be happy. So we'll just, has it got a lip in it? Yeah, there's a little lip on the inside. See that little line? You want to get that out, otherwise it gives you a full sizing. That is good. Yeah, that is good. So now we'll break out Dave the Dremel. Is it plugged in? Yes, it is. And we shall stick in the one and only Kate Bush. I mean, there's not much fire scale on this, really. That'll do. What do I need? How did that cut? Yeah. See that? Cut. Came out rather good. Right, let's stick in Felton John. And give it some love. Right. I've got my car yearly inspection this next week. That's really fun and games, isn't it? That won't get through. Price of cars here are crazy. What cost you about 500 or 600 quid in England, cost you 3 or 4 grand over here for a piece of shit, you know. Absolute crazy money. I mean, people do try and look after them a bit better over here because they're so bloody expensive, but... Right, let's have a look what we got. Let's clean off the fingers, shall we? Before we start. Most of it off anyway. Yeah. Let me go. There we go. I've got a slightly cleaner cloth here. Yeah, it's come up nice. My girlfriend has finished cleaning these up for me. I do clear coat on my rings as well, by the way. Right, let's have a look. How sexy is it? Queen Elizabeth II. I did the wrong bloody side, you stupid boy. Yeah, I did the wrong bloody side. Oh well, it is what it is. It's a nice ring. Right, what size have we got? This is a size 13 1/4, 13 1/2, 13 3/4, well, 14. It should fit me rather good. That'll be this finger. There you go. Yeah, it fits this finger even better. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your comments. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the Tyrians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire, Joseph, and from Japan. You know you are. Love you to bits. Okay. Keep smiling, and God willing, I'll see you in the next one. Keep smiling, and subby bye-bye.